Because we don't have enough going on right now, we decided we needed to make a bench for my father-in-law using this tailgate. But it's not just any bench, it has a story behind it. This is a tailgate from a 1959 Ford pickup truck that my father-in-law inherited from his grandfather. This truck sat deteriorating in his backyard for many years until finally in 2020, all four sons got together and decided it was time to restore their great-grandfather's truck. I don't remember exactly how long the restoration process took, but I do know they had to find some other parts for the truck for the full restoration. Because they couldn't use the tailgate, my father-in-law kept it in his shed. My husband asked his dad what he was going to do with it, and he said nothing. Do you want it? And we said yes. So that's where this bench comes in. Once I've got it fully stained, we're going to attach the original tailgate with some hardware and surprise my father-in-law with it for his birthday coming up at the end of the month. Stay tuned for part 2 where we surprise him with it for his birthday.